Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Zapier AI by connecting Gmail to Slack. Complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Zapier AI by connecting Gmail to Slack, you'll first need to log into your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up at zapier.com. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button. This will start the process of creating your automation workflow. In the Trigger section, search for and select Gmail. Choose a specific trigger event, such as new email or new labeled email. Click the Continue button to proceed. Now, connect your Gmail account by clicking on Sign in to Gmail. A pop-up window will ask for permission to access your Gmail account. Follow the prompts to grant Zapier the necessary permissions. After connecting your Gmail account, select the specific Gmail label that you want to trigger the Zap. Click Continue to move on. Next, you will set up the Action section. Search for and select Slack as the Action app. Choose an action event, such as Send Channel Message. Click Continue to proceed. Now connect your Slack account by clicking on Sign in to Slack. Authorize Zapier to access your Slack workspace as prompted. After connecting, choose the Slack channel where you want to send messages. Click Continue to move to the next step. In the message setup, customize how you want the message to look. You can include elements from the Gmail trigger, such as the subject and sender. Once you've formatted the message, click Continue. Zapier will prompt you to test the Zap to ensure everything works correctly. Review the test details and click Test and Continue. If the test is successful, you'll receive a confirmation. Finally, name your Zap for easy identification. Click the toggle switch to turn on your Zap. Your automation is now live and will run based on your settings. You've successfully connected Gmail to Slack using Zapier AI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.